some cool thing about my TyTn 2 is that it has built-in GPS. So right now we just got off on the BART station from Embarcadero in San Francisco to there's another BART there to we got off on West Oakland. Now I don't know if I can point it here, but you can see the dot there in my TyTn 2, and we're leaving the West Oakland BART station, and we're going under the 880, and you can see the blinking blue dot moving towards south, and you know, pretty cool because I can track my location everywhere. There's 3G network, and as you can see, I'm locked into 7 satellites, between 5 to 7. The data refreshes over HSDPA, and I would say about the data speed is between 500 to 700 kilobits per second, and sometimes I have seen peaks of 1.1 megabits per second. And if it's not clouded, it's gonna lock at least into 5 satellites, but the maximum amounts of satellites that I have seen it locked into is 7. But as far as I know, these are civilian satellites, and most of these GPS devices, they lock. Oh, there, I got an email there, push mail. Let me hit the dismiss button. There we go, dismissed. I'm gonna lock it into hide the keyboard. So it's gonna go into from landscape to portrait. Oh no, it stayed in landscape. That is cool. So I'm gonna rotate the camera. There's my baby. So it's still tracking it down. I'm locked right now into 5 satellites. It's gonna go into a tunnel, so probably I'm gonna lose signal. If I lose signal, I won't be able to keep track. So it's still moving. We're under the tunnel now. I got 3G, but I'm not locked into any satellite, so I lost track. So when I get out of the tunnel, it'll probably lock into the satellites again. But it's pretty cool. I mean, not every day you're gonna be traveling under a tunnel or right in the BART. So most of the times you're gonna be at the surface, and most of perhaps not cloudy, so you're gonna be able to lock into at least 7 satellites. Well, the most, at least 4, between 4 and 7 satellites. And it's pretty cool, very cool. There's Joy right there, Joy. There's the baby again, there's the baby. I don't know how long this tunnel is gonna be, but I think I lost 3G also. Let me see. Yeah, I lost signal. I lost 3G, and I've noticed that the TyTn, every time that I go under the tunnels here, right in the bar in San Francisco Bay Area, every time it goes under the tunnel, I would lose either the 3G signal or locked into any GPS satellites. Perhaps they don't have underground tower systems that would allow the signals to propagate within the tunnel system, but you know, like it won't happen on a daily basis unless you would do business here or work or go to school here. But other than that, the device is very solid, and even if I lost signal, I know I'll be able to regain it. Oh, goodbye. Okay, here we go again. I exited a tunnel, so I was able to track GPS again, and we're on this exit called Fruitvale. You can see there. Let me get track back on my TyTn. Tilt. What? We are on Fruitvale. You can see here. that map, we're right here. This one. And here we go again. I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna try to attempt to find the dot. Here we go. I'm gonna zoom in. Here we are. So where you see San Leandro Street, you see the blinking light moving. I'm logged into 5 satellites, reloading data via HSDPA. 6 satellites. We're going under the freeway, highway. As you can see there, you see it moving. You see it moving there. You see it moving. You can see the AT&T logo of the AT&T TyTn 2. Here we go again. It's just GPS is solid. I'm using this GPS tracker now, using the free Google Map downloads for Windows Mobile 6. Or I would say Windows Mobile device. It is beautiful. Solid device. So I hope you enjoy watching my AT&T Tilt using Google Map and GPS to track our movement. We are nearing another station now called the Oakland Airport and Coliseum, if I'm not mistaken. So here we are. See a dot there? Here we go. So it is nearing the Coliseum Oakland Airport Station. And I'm going to peek through the window now as we approach the station. Here we go. And there we are. No, we're on Oakland Coliseum Station. And here we are, Oakland Coliseum, Oakland Airport. And that's what the GPS says. So we are here. I'm tracked now to 5 satellites. For a moment it said there were 6. Went back to 4. Oh, enjoy.